to my channel. For those of you who don't know me yet, my name is Brianna M, and I'm really excited to be filming this video for you guys today because in this video I will be showing you guys the method that I use to ship out my Depop orders. And the best thing about this method is that it's not only applicable to Depop, you could use it for virtually any business that you have where you have to ship out orders, and it is the easiest, cheapest, fastest way that I personally know so far. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. But if you have a Depop shop or a business, shout it out in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe, and let's get right into it.
What you will be needing to ship out your items is a pair of scissors. You'll also need a scale. I got mine from Amazon. I have a vegetable scale. You'll also need clear adhesive top loading packaging pouches. I got these from Amazon as well. These will all be linked in the description box. You will also need Polymailers. I got these from You Pack and Ship. When I am shipping out orders, I normally start by folding the item into a tiny little square and slipping it into the Polymailer. After sealing the Polymailer, I try to get all the air I possibly can out of the bag so that it could lay very flat. Once I have gotten all the air out of my Polymailer, I place it on the scale to see how much it weighs. This is important because in order to ship out your item, you need to know how much it weighs. Once I know how much my item weighs, I head over to PayPal and click on the shipping label button. I usually click multiple PayPal orders because Depop changed the platform where a lot of people don't go through PayPal to pay. If you go through PayPal, there will be your order at the bottom there. But since I did not, I'm going to click on Create Shipment. Once I click on Create Shipment, I just have to fill out all the information of my customer. You could find that in your receipts on Depop. So I fill that in, and then at the bottom you want to hit Continue. Once you hit Continue, as long as your package or item is under 16 ounces or 1 pound, you always want to choose first class because that is the cheapest service. And then you want to put in your package weight and click Create Shipment. If you have another item to ship out, select Create New Shipment, but if you don't, select Done. Once you've done all this, your shipping label should appear at the bottom. You select all the shipping labels that you want to pay for, and then at the bottom of the page, there should be a purchase button. You want to select that. After you select that, you're prompted with another page to review and pay, and you just want to select Pay. Once you do that, you are done, and you could either choose to send it to your label maker or your printer, but I have a printer, so I'm just sending it to my printer. When you ship using PayPal, your order comes out way cheaper than if you were to go to the post office and buy your shipping labels there. Not only that, but you also get tracking numbers. Once I finished printing my labels, I cut around all the corners so that it could fit into the packaging slip. Once I cut around all the corners, I slip the label into the slip and peel off the adhesive back. Once I peel off the adhesive back, I then stick it to my package. I really like these packaging slips because they're a great alternative to a label machine. Label machines can be pretty pricey, so this is a good place to start if you're not ready for that investment. Once you have done all this, you are done. There is nothing left to do but to drop your package at the post office. Congratulations on packaging and shipping out your first order.
Okay guys, that is all I have for you today. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe. You could use this method for literally any business that you have, and it makes the process 10 times easier if the business is already connected to PayPal. But nevertheless, it could be used for any business. If you want to see more videos about Depop or anything in particular, please leave that in the comment section down below. But until then, my name is Brianna M, and I'll see you guys in the next video.